and good morning. We're here at the IMTMA studio, and it is our pleasure today to welcome to the studio Maulik Patel, the SLTL Group. He's the Executive Director. Thank you so much for joining us, sir, and for giving us your time.
My pleasure.
We just had a few brief questions, and we wanted to get your insights on, what you're exhibiting here and just your general thoughts as well. Sure. So if you could briefly just walk us through, the solutions that you're exhibiting here at IMTEX 2026, and also talk about how is it catering to specific needs of customers.
So this time at IMTEX Metal Forming, we are very clear that we want to showcase all our range of metal forming solutions. So our theme has been focusing on productivity, and we are majorly focusing on cutting, bending, and welding. So we have all three solutions for sheet metal. At our booth, we are showcasing a panel bender. We call it as AnyBend, which is a state-of-the-art, automated panel bending equipment.
Right.
This is the first time launch in IMTEX in India by SLTL. We are also showcasing a couple of laser systems, which are for sheet metal cutting. We're showcasing a tube cutting machine, a 2D cutting machine, a 5-axis cutting machine. We're showcasing one more very high-end, high productive, high speed, high acceleration vector, which is a 2026 generation.
Okay.
So IMTEX has always been a launch platform for us. And as the years are passing by, I think India is moving towards that $3 trillion to $5 trillion economy, and that is where the progress is happening. It also requires equipment which are giving a good throughput with very high reliability. So that is what our entire theme and our product line are all based on.
Right.